Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Google Chrome step by step. Hardware acceleration allows Chrome to use your computer's graphics hardware to improve performance, but in some cases, turning it off can help fix display or browser issues. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, click System. You may need to scroll down to find this option depending on your Chrome version. Once you're in the System settings, look for the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If you want to enable hardware acceleration, make sure the toggle is turned on. If you want to disable hardware acceleration, turn the toggle off. After changing the setting, click Relaunch. Chrome will restart and apply the new setting automatically. Once Chrome reopens, the hardware acceleration setting will be active. If you are experiencing browser lag, screen flickering, video playback issues, or graphics problems, check whether the change improves performance. You can always return to the same settings page and switch the option back if needed. And that's it. You've successfully enabled or disabled hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.